Oh my gosh, that kind of does look like you. Oh my gosh, I'm a woman in this one.
10 years down the road, I'll still be sitting on the floor, writing about you, writing about you. Lines about midnight car rides and the color of your eyes, thinking about you, yeah.
Morning guys, what's going on? We are eating some breakfast and we're having a really interesting conversation right now. The majority of us have a really hard time like finding what restaurant we want to eat at.
I love Taco Bell. Can't get enough. V doesn't let me eat it every day though.
No, 3 times a week is the max.
That's a lot.
Yeah, that is a lot, Chad.
Where's Mom, Blackjack? Where's she at? We just got home. Blackjack has not seen Becca yet because she rode in the other car. Where's Mom? Where's she at? Alright, Jimmy and I are playing a little bit of shuffleboard now. Where's he gonna go? Oh, too far. Get out of here. Oh! Jimmy and Matt are playing air hockey. It's getting tense.
Right away.
Yeah, here we go. You guys ready? We're gonna be doing the blindfolded makeup challenge right now. It's gonna be the love to pick.
Blindfolded makeup.
Getting eye makeup. What is it?
Blindfolded makeup challenge. Who can do it better? Just the eyes. So, oh yeah, it's just the eyes.
Here we go.
The eyes.
3,
Even though it's blurred.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wow.
What is your eyes?
Doing good.
Spot on.
Just poking her in the eye.
Yep.
Wait,
Be careful.
Wow. Okay, I feel something on my cheek and this is supposed to be eyes.
It's really hot though. That's the new style.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's a cover in it. That's why there's no.
I thought there was a cover on there.
That's why there's no.
There you go. Oh my gosh.
I feel like my hair is getting just as much makeup on it.
Yeah.
You're not getting her eyelashes at all. There you go. Higher.
Even higher.
Okay, 5,
Forward.
4,
Even higher.
3,
There you go. Over that. There you
2, 1. Reveal. Beautiful.
Maddie did a really good job.
I don't even know how we got in this situation. Blackjack is taking over. I'm sorry, Peanut. This looks really uncomfortable. You got pushed out. All right, we're getting ready to go up on the Alpine slide again.
We've done this, but all of them behind us are trying to figure it out. We have a couple new vloggers.
They couldn't get on the slide just now. We had to stop
They're not
them.
pros,
Oh, we're going again. Here we go.
I'm gonna try to go fast.
Really? You want to race?
Whoa, that's close.
We could race.
No, it's okay.
Hey, Jimmy. I bet this photo's gonna come in handy. Oh! Oh wait, we just got to the biggest sweet shop I think I've ever seen. This place is huge.
Oh, they have black cherry.
Where do we start? So many jelly beans. Chocolate rocks? It's really a thing. Just found some shades. I'm kind of liking them.
So I got this, and we got chocolate.
A lot. And we're getting ready to go.
To an escape room, which we were supposed to go later, but we get to go earlier now, and it's right across the street. It's called Mountain Room Escapes. We actually did one of the rooms before. Now we're doing another one.
We're doing the cabin. Oh, yes.
I feel like escape rooms are really, people are starting to understand what they are. And like,
Yeah, and plus we have up here, okay, Big Bear's a vacation place, your family comes up.
Yeah.
You know, you've been skiing all day or hiking and all of a sudden you think, God, what's there to do tonight? And they look it up on the internet and we pop up. And
All right, we are getting ready to go in. Rebecca's asking too many questions to get us in trouble. Rebecca, we want to win.
key questions.
She's asking key questions. She might just be the one to help you guys escape.
Yeah, guys.
Dad thought it would be a great idea for everyone to come up to Big Bear Mountain. Yes, of course. Let's go, do a little fun trip. Let's get together. It's been a long time, guys. Let's, reconnect, right?
Trust me.
Trust me.
It'll be fine.
Exactly. However, his good friend V over here, she's always into outdoorsy things.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Don't you guys think it would be a great idea if we took them on a hike?
Yes.
Her 3-minute walk.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go on for a hike.
All right.
Whoa. All right, we escaped this building right now. Oh my God. If you're a Big Bear, go check it out. Put all the information in the description box down here below. Go check it out.
Yeah.
You can be as excited as Rebecca is right now.
We escaped.
Record time.
Okay, so we just got back from doing the escape room, and Maddie has shown us like this new app. What is it? It's the Google Arts and Culture app.
Yeah.
And there's something on the front page.
You can see if a piece of art looks like you.
Or maybe you look like a piece of art. Chill.
So this was my match. So this is the #1 match.
Next one.
Oh boy.
That one.
What?
That actually looks like it.
It does!
Is it really?
Yes!
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to
Looks like
get.
your grandpa.
I'm gonna have to put this up on our wall or something.
Yeah.
Your grandpa.
Definitely.
It's kind of creepy.
This must be my grandpa.
You're a piece of art. Okay, so now we're gonna take some more photos. Rebecca's next. You ready, Beck?
Is she a man?
The
Okay.
conversation.
That's the worst picture of me.
Oh my gosh, that kind of does look like you!
Hey, I should have put my hat back. Oh.
Oh,
Okay, now.
portrait of a little Italian girl? Whoa, you are Italian.
True. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, this is the scariest picture I think I've ever taken of you.
Okay, portrait of a man, possibly a clergy. Oh my gosh,
Oh, you look like a serial killer.
I'm a woman in this one. Okay, let's try this again. Oh my god, I got a woman again. Diego she's an old, like, really old woman. I got that guy again. Okay, game time. The guys just won. Because we're awesome. And the best.
I did win one game though.
You did. Maddie got them one game. We got them
I won.
4?
All good ones.
4 to 5.
Hey, I won one.
5 to 6.
5. We got 5 to 1. All right, it's the next day. I forgot to close out the vlog last night, but if you haven't tried out that app where it makes you into a piece of art, I'll put all the information in the description box down here below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow.
And 10 years down the road, I still be sitting on